Hi, I'm Maury, this is Techloto, and this is my unboxing video for the Hydrapedics Mid-Range Pedicure Foot Spa Massager. I'll be doing a free giveaway of this foot spa, so just make sure you stay to the end of the video for a chance to win. It comes in a nice box that shows you all the features of the foot spa, and if you look on the back, it gives you directions on how to use it. It's quite a lot of information on the box itself, so let's get straight into it. The packaging is straightforward to remove. Just open the box and you can see that there is even more information about the different attachments that you can use on the foot spa. So just open the box and pull it straight out. It comes as one complete unit. Let's put the foot spa itself to the side for now. If you look at the bottom of the box, you can see that there's a leaflet. The leaflet gives you information about how to use it, how to keep it clean, and the do's and don'ts. I actually appreciate that it's quite an informative leaflet. Sometimes we get these products online that don't give us much guidance on how to use it, but it seems that they are focusing on the customer and the needs of someone using this product for the first time. It's a lot to read, but that's why you're watching an unboxing video. The important thing to know from the get-go is to never pour water over the control switch. Now, let's remove the protective film that is over the foot spa. I really appreciate the minimalistic packaging because it doesn't create a massive mess, but somehow the supplier made sure that the product is secure. This is really nice. I like the colours because it's something that you can have in your house and people won't think it's out of place. You can get a really nice pedicure with 3 attachments. You've got the brush and a pumice stone. The acupuncture node is already attached, but they're pretty straightforward to interchange. Here are various modes to which you can set the foot spa. You have the options for vibration bubbles, heat infrared, and heat vibration infrared. So the supplier says that this has many health benefits, including improving blood circulation, energy levels, and feeling super relaxed. I mean, anyone that has ever had a hard day's work knows how good it feels to soak your feet at the end of the day. So let's set this up and see what you can do. Make sure you fill the foot spa with warm water before you put your feet in, and make sure it's plugged in. Obviously, don't use this without water, and please don't stand inside the foot spa. Let's try the options. The vibration and bubble massage is as it says. The heat and infrared gets the water a little bit warmer. The heat bubbles and vibrations with infrared is everything working together. And when you're done, empty out the water from the foot spa and wipe it down with a damp cloth and store it in a clean, dry place. I don't think you should use bleach or any other strong abrasive to clean this either. So now that we are done with the unboxing, let's talk about how you can win one of these. All you need to do to win the giveaway is to be a subscriber and leave a comment about why you want to win the foot spa. Thank you very much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to Techloto, visit the Patreon page to support the channel, and don't forget to visit their website.